Good evening Internet, this is Jay from 3J Auto Expert. Today is the longest and busiest day for Kia Motors India. Yes, they have unveiled third product from the lineup, which is most advanced, futuristic and first time from Kia without clutch with a manual transmission. Yes, that's called IMT. So this video is all about Kia Sonet 2020 BS6. If you are a first time in my channel, please subscribe and like and stay tuned. As all you aware, South Korean giant Kia Motors came to India very recently, who is the sister brand of Hyundai. They came to the market with a product called Seltos, which was the blockbuster in Indian market, especially in the SUV segment. Then later they have launched one more product called Kia Carnival, which is family, big size MPV. Now the third product is unveiled today. That's called Kia Sonet, which is compact crossover or SUV. You can say it's going to be available in the market for sale coming September. This is expected information, and the price range is around 7 to 10 lakhs we can expect. And this is going to be available with the three different engines. There are two petrol engines and one diesel engine. The two petrol engine, one will have 1 liter turbocharged and another one with a 1.2 liter petrol, and the diesel engine will have 1.5 liter. The beauty is the Kia Motors first time in Indian market, they are introducing the clutchless manual transmission, which is called IMT. So basically you can drive, you can feel the manual without pressing the clutch. That's something new. Worldwide, Kia Motors known for making cars with more premium elements and more sportier. This time undoubtedly this new arrival of Kia Sonet also has those elements, such as, let's start from the front. The front looks so stunning with a strong muscular look, and this headlight has a they're calling it as a chrome dual headlight, which has LED elements, kind of dual tones in the headlight, and chrome fog lamp, and strong large air drums. That's something really looking good, and plastic chrome finish overall. And this Kia's signature grille, which we call as a tiger nose grille, surrounded with a gray with a chrome finish. It's really looking very smooth, and black finish in the grille also. And this is all about the front. Let's talk about the side, what it got more. This Kia Sonet, not only the front, even the side looks very aggressive, because the 16-inch alloy wheels give a very much strong road presence, and the strong wheel arches, and the glossy black kind of finish in the mirror, and the roof also, it's a completely black finish, and the chrome window line and the roof lines. And especially I have to talk about the C-pillar. The C-pillar, it is something like new in the segment, because this design has a character. So this all the elements, really the side look of the Kia Sonet looks much better than any other the compact crossover in the market which is available in India. Kia Sonet's rear side looks really interesting. The LED DRL, which connects to the rear reflectors, looks something it gives to the distinctive look to the car. And underneath, skid plate, which has a chrome plated, which give you the rugged look to the car. And this got a glassy bumper finish, and yes, it's a FAC dummy exhaust, dual exhaust, but still it will enhance the look of the car like a muscular sports car. And this is being a compact crossover, we cannot expect the much boot space, but still Kia Motors India managed to offer a decent amount of boot space in the vehicle. Now I am going to talk about Kia Sonet's inside. Yes, this is the beautiful place to be always in the car. So this got a top-notch quality materials, especially if you see their dashboard, it's a very soft touch material and the texture is looking good. And this infotainment has a 10.2-inch touchscreen, which give you like illusion like it connects to the entire the dashboard. That's like even the digital screen, digital dials, it looks like a single piece in the Kia Sonet. And this got a 3-spoke sporty steering column, which has a GT badging for the GT line. and this got a wireless charger. Yes, it's very easy of convenient, and USB for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It has a exciting the Kia app which will help you for a service booking and many things in the infotainment. And this infotainment, the screen resolution looks pretty good, and this got a performance speakers of Bose with a surrounded speakers of 7 speakers, and this got a drive modes where it will allow you to choose a normal mode, sports mode, economy, those things in the car. Regarding this Kia Sonet specification, Kia Motors India yet to announce, so we have to wait for the official launch of the product. Now what happened is was just for unveil about the product specification and all this, and the technical spec very soon we are expecting. And hope you like my presentation, and it was informative, I believe. If you like my channel, please do subscribe and like, share, comment.